Hello friends, how are you? In this video we are going to unbox our GoPro Hero 5 and some accessories with that. So actually I have purchased this product from the GoPro official website, and at that time when I purchased there is a $50 discount, as well as they said, you can see here the price is $400, and they had discount of $50, as well as they had written somewhere that they also give away this three-way GoPro three-way. So which is approximately cost around $70. And so if we see the price, if you convert the price of 400, which cost around 26,000 rupees, and actually they charge around $60 for economical delivery, which is, so total cost is around 30,000 rupees over here. And if you go and try to buy the same camera from Reliance stores, so actually Reliance is partner with GoPro to sell their product in India, so it will cost around 36,000 rupees. So you can see directly you can get 6,000 rupees benefit if you purchase from the official website, as well as actually I get a discount, so it was we can say approximately 350, or if we consider $400. So actually I get this camera at 26,000 rupees with delivery charges. And yeah, so there was actually one confusion where when I had purchased, because the shopping cart or the processing after the order is not that much transparent or user friendly as you go and buy from Flipkart or from the Amazon India, Amazon USA. They give whole status of your product after the completion of the order. So you can also see where is the where is our product is in the which status is there. If you want to cancel, we can click on cancel or things like that. So that kind of shopping cart is not available in the GoPro official website, so we need to uh, actually they send an email to track our record, which is a little bit awkward these days. And actually there was confusion because when I purchased the order from official website, so they didn't deduct any amount, so we think, or maybe I think that my domestic debit card is not applicable for this purchase. That's why maybe they didn't deduct the amount, so which is maybe wrong. Even actually even I get this product right now at my home, still they didn't deduct the amount. So actually I asked someone, so that person said that they will deduct the amount after 10 days, and there is no need to update your debit card. Even domestic card is also work well with this. So there's the mistake, I guess. And the support you can get is phone support and chat support, but the support number given on the website for India is not working. The numbers they are given, and chat support is actually useless. I have tried so many times. So actually I had purchased it 12th of June, and I get it at around 24th of July, so more than 1.5 months. And actually I purchased with economical delivery charges, which is around $50, and for fast delivery they charge $80. So if you like, you can also, actually I want to save some money, but I don't know they take so much of time. So here you can see they given the Indian number over here, but both are not working well. So along with GoPro Hero5 Black, I have purchased one rechargeable battery, one mic adapter, one tripod mount, one MicroSD card, one chest mount, and the total amount of these all products of we can say total order amount is around 566 or $34. So actually total order amount is around 566.34 dollar, which is approximately 37,000 rupees. So you can see 37,000 rupees I get so many things if I purchase from the official website, but if I purchase from the Reliance store, actually on the Reliance store they don't have so many accessories, so we actually need to go to buy from the official website compulsory. So it's better, means you need to pay for the delivery charges, so it's better you try to buy everything from the official website if possible. And if you want instant delivery, you should pay for $80 rather than $50, which is a little bit faster delivery, I guess. Maybe in 20 days you will get your product at your home, or maybe in 10 days. So let's get started to unboxing after so much discussion. So here is the front. Let's see I will get 3-way or not. So this is our micro SD card, 32 GB, and maybe it comes with some warranty, so we'll keep it on side. After that, this is our tripod mount. Okay, so you can see here is the box, and they with tripod mount they also give one tripod, so actually it's better. I get one new tripod for handle shooting. So actually there is one more confusion when I purchase. Actually they didn't list out that they provide battery with the camera or not, so that's the reason I purchased the batteries. Someone say that they also provide the battery. So this is the little bit of tripod, and over here, so when we see here it looks a little bit big, but you can see it's smaller tripod. So just a second, you just fix here like this, no, actually this you need to put on your tripod, normal tripod, and over here you can fix your GoPro. There is one extra extension for this. We will try it out in another video. So this is the one product we have. Second product, so this is the battery. Let's open it out. Product packaging is like a stick, so there is no issue with that. They also give 30 days money back guarantee. I hope in that they not charge much, but I need to. So the battery is a little bit small, which is actually camera is small, so battery will be small, so there is not an issue. So over here, this is the small battery of GoPro. So after the battery, what we have, so this is most important thing for shooting with audio, as well as keep charging your GoPro with your power bank. So this will be helpful for that. You can add your 3.5 mm jack. So lots of people start buying this who are YouTuber and motovlogger, we can say. So over here you can add your 3.5 mm jack for getting audio from your source, and over here you can plug your what we say power bank to power up your GoPro. Even you can also plug your microphone if you have that kind of port with you. So maybe you can plug two microphones at the same time. We'll do testing for that. Actually I don't know exactly. So after that, this is the chest mount. So you can see here I have purchased so many things. So this is the way this multinational company works. They just give one product and build a lot of accessories, same as iPhone, or we can say Apple. They earn from the accessories. This is the marketing concept. So this is also very costly when I ask the price from the Reliance store. So you can see here we can, I guess this one, maybe no, there is some other accessories to put down the GoPro over here. So this is the chest mount. Okay, this is the thing which we can put it over here. Actually I also need to practice for this, so we will check it out. So like this, and put it on the GoPro over here, and we can lock the GoPro here so it will not move even it's vibrating or something like that. Okay, I guess first of all we need to take off something. I need to check. I will make another video for that. They didn't give over here you can see this many products I have purchased. They give a list. So finally they don't give that three-way with this, which they said they are going to give, but maybe I don't understand what is the scheme. It's okay, actually I get 50% discount, is more than enough. Actually I don't need that thing, three-way mount or three-way stick, because I am not going to make vlogs. I am just put it on the tripod, this GoPro, or maybe on the chest, and shoot from that way. So let us open our GoPro from here. little bit hard to open. And finally our GoPro camera. So let us see what they give inside. So I guess it can detach. So first of all, open up this thing and see what we will get here. So this is the normal menu, and over here, so actually they give this battery, but they didn't list out this on the list of the products with this camera on their official website. So just a sec. So over here you can see that they have list out all stuff like this, like camera and body and the cable and the mounts, but they didn't show that they are going to give this battery with that. And actually I asked to their chat support, the email support, but they can't reply appropriately for that. So that's the reason I purchased one battery. And right now actually these batteries can be charged only with the help of camera, so we can't charge them externally without the special charger. So maybe if I want to charge both batteries simultaneously outside the camera, we need to buy one more charger. So now I have two batteries and one charger, which is my camera. So other than that, you get this mount for helmet, this cable, and one more mount. Is there anything else? Not really. So I don't know how to remove this. Okay, now we can. So they have a lot of these kind of mounts. So this is the camera and this is the body. I hope I don't break down anything. And just push back. Finally, this is our camera. This is the body which they shown, and we can also remove this thing. So with this frame we can connect this camera onto our tripod with this one. So we need to put it over here and plug it that screw here. That way we can use it on our tripod. Mostly I will use it in that way. So I will fix that thing inside this for permanently, we can say. And we need to put our battery here, switch it on in this way. So we need to put battery like this, and so you can see here red button. We'll click on okay, maybe I need to remove this. They ask for the date. So today's date is 26th. The month is 7th. This kind of thing you need to do. Start. This is a low battery, so actually original batteries are not charged. Time is 10:40 AM. GPS is not required right now, so I guess I need to take off this little thing. This picture of a dog. Okay, so you can see this is the dog's picture they give to protect the screen. So actually this is the touch screen, maybe that's the reason. Okay, quick start guide. So mode button, short press on, long press is off. Okay, switches between video and photo. Where is the mode? This one is the mode button. We'll make full tutorial on this. Mode button takes while recording. This is the shutter button for video and photos. Short press for video, long press for time-lapses videos. For this quick capture, when your GoPro is off, press the shutter button to power on and start recording automatically. Alright, so camera mode and setting, tap below to change the mode. So you can see the battery is 4% only. Okay, so I guess okay, so 30 frames per second. Advanced settings and preferences out here. Media, swipe. Okay, exposure, press and hold to set exposure. Okay, the main screen, mobile app capture we need on our camera, and it using quick. And GoPro Hero5 can upload photo, video, easy to access from home using this plus application. Preferences to take again. Okay, so this is this, and if there is no SD card, so actually we need to insert the SD card here. Okay, so I guess this much is enough for this video. We'll check out another thing once we loaded the SD card and charge it up this camera. We will make complete tutorials, basic, beginner to intermediate to advanced. So hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. All the best.